You want to make money online, and maybe you went into affiliate marketing hoping to make money very quickly, and then you realize, oh my gosh, I have to wait like 30 or 60 days to get a payment. Or maybe you're a service provider and you're looking for a way to fill in the gaps in between clients because you find yourself on this constant month-to-month client grind, and you wish there was a way to make more income in between without having to spread yourself even more thin or having to, build an agency out. Then let me share with you a little idea that maybe you haven't thought of that actually helped me in my business, and that was to create a digital product. But it's not what you think. I didn't create a digital product to sell on Etsy or on an e-commerce website. No, the digital product that I'm talking about creating is something that you already know how to do, something that you're already passionate about, and something that solves a problem for someone else. And it's actually something that's going to help build your brand. And honestly, for me, what it did too was it helped me stop repeating myself all day long and saying the same thing over and over and over again. So if you are looking to make money online and maybe you're tired of waiting on getting paid and you'd like to be a little more proactive and learn how to create the easiest digital product that you can create very quickly, then keep on watching because I'm going to show you how you can do that relatively fast. So before we dive into the content, if you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. And in this video, what I want to do is I want to share how you can start creating the most easiest digital product that you can start creating some sales with. And I'm not talking about, creating this full-blown course or anything like that. I'm talking about creating a simple little digital product that fills in the gaps in between clients or in between affiliate sales so that you can start creating more income instead of waiting around on payments, right? All right. So first things first, the first thing I want to share with you is why you should start creating a digital product. That is because, first of all, you do not have to really wait to get paid. You can hook up a payment processor and within 3 days, you will have money that hits your bank account. That's number one. Number two is that a digital product actually helps build your authority. It builds your brand. So like I said, I'm not talking about creating a product that you put in an e-commerce store like Etsy or somewhere else. I'm talking about creating a digital product that is based on your own knowledge, experience, and expertise that you can start selling for, anywhere from $7 to $97. Like I said, it doesn't have to be this huge course. And then the third thing is you can actually sell your products, your affiliate products. You can promote your affiliate products or your services inside of a digital product that you create. So it serves the purpose of building your brand and pointing people to all the other things that you're selling as well. So it creates leverage because you can actually scale it. Now, quick story, when I was I was working in the 9-to-5 workplace back in the day. I was working in construction, and I remember that I actually created a digital product, a product back then. And so the digital product that you can create today is going to be along the same lines of why I created this product back then. And what happened was I was working in an office and I was the only one in my department that could do the job that I was there to do. And guess what? I knew I was going to go on maternity leave soon. Kind of ended up working against me, but I realized that there was no system. If I needed to know how to do something, I always had to ask my supervisor, how do you do this? How do you do that? How do you do this? How do you do that? And then it's get up from my desk. Oh, I have this question. I have this question. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to learn how to do this job. And then I am going to create a step-by-step document so that anybody that comes in here, that they can come in here and follow. I had it in a little green folder, and it was a step-by-step protocol of how to write a proposal because I was in construction. And so basically it was how to write a proposal step by step. So I wrote out everything you do. Step 1, you do this. Step 2, you do this. Step 3, you do this. Step 4, you do this. And then I made a photocopy of it, put it in a green folder, and I told my supervisor, if you ever need to know how to do this thing, if I'm not here or whatever, here is the green folder that teaches you how to do everything, right? And boy, did it work, because then when I went on maternity leave, they found my replacement. So It's not always a good thing, especially in the work environment. But the whole point is that right now there's something that you know how to do. There is something that people ask you how to do, and they probably ask you how to do it on a frequent basis. They don't know. And I don't know about you, but I'm the type of person that I just don't like repeating myself over and over and over again. And so when I find myself repeating the same thing over and over again, I'll make a video. I'll throw it in a frequently asked questions on my website. I will create a document, or I will create a product. All right, so now that I told you that story, let me give you another quick example of how I actually created my first digital product. My very, very first actual digital product was the My Story method. Now, the My Story method was teaching a 6-step foolproof framework to creating a magnetic About Me page that you put on your website to attract your ideal prospects. And the reason I created that digital product was because when I was doing lead converting website design for my clients who happen to be in the network marketing niche or in the affiliate marketing niche, they really didn't know how to write their story. And so they struggled to write their story. And when you're building a website for someone, part of the job is you need to fill in the content for the website. So one of the brand building strategies that we were using was to share their story on their About Me page, but they didn't really know how to do it. So what I did was, based on my own experience, that I leverage my story on my About Me page to attract lead sales and signups. I was like, I'm going to create an actual ebook that teaches people how to do this so that I don't have to sit there and explain it to them over and over and over again. So when I would bring on a client and create their lead converting website, I would sell them a copy of the My Story method. And then it ended up just being a digital product that I sold. I sold it to other affiliate marketers and other network marketers. And then guess what? That product helped people write their story. And it was born from something that was a problem that I needed to help people overcome, which was how to tell their story. And then it was also helpful to me because I didn't have to repeat myself over and over and over again. So instead of doing one-to-one, this digital product that was based on my experience and a problem I was solving for someone else actually became something that I could sell for 100% profit. And it was an extension of the products and services that I was already offering. So right now, there is something that you know how to do. There is a problem that you know how to solve. And you know what? Maybe it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Maybe there's something that you already know how to do in your personal life or in your professional life. And you can turn that into a simple, entry-level, low-ticket digital product just to get a little experience under your belt. But you can start putting that out into the marketplace and use that as a way to start building your brand. See, because that My Story Method ebook became a mini course. And then I expanded upon it. I added a video to it. And then I actually added an About Me page template to it. I even added a workshop to it. And then eventually that little idea became a whole module in my now signature course, right? So it can start as a little tiny thing that you sell for $27, $37, put a little cash in your pocket right now and help expand your brand, help solve a problem for someone else, help expose people to other things that you're doing right inside the product, okay? And then it can become something bigger as time goes on, especially if it's something that really truly does help people, right? So I want to challenge you right now that if you're looking to make money online and you're waiting on those affiliate payments, you're like, oh my gosh, I wish I could make money like right now based on something that I already know how to do. Well, think about creating something that you already know how to do. Now, if you want a little more guidance on how to do this, I have a 5-day challenge called the Rise Profit Academy, where I will show you how to build the foundation for creating a digital product based on your own passions, your purpose, and your expertise so that you can start creating some of your own cash flow while you build your brand. So if that is something that you want to learn how to do, then go to riseprofitacademy.com and take the challenge. And just in case you're wondering, oh my gosh, well, how do I even sell the product? Okay, even if I create it, how do I sell it? Don't worry, because I cover that inside of the 5 days. I'm going to show you how to use simple technology without having to do anything super duper complicated so that you can start selling that digital product as well. But anyway, if you want to learn more, just go to riseprofitacademy.com. If you want to learn how to create a digital product that not only puts a few more dollars in your pocket, but it helps solve a problem for someone else, and it helps build your brand while you're at it. All right. So hopefully this video helped you, it inspired you, and it gave you an idea of what you could start doing to make more money online without having to wait on anything outside of yourself to do it. You can look inside of you right now, and I'm pretty sure that there's something that you could create right now that would be of value to someone else that they would be willing to pay for. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment right below this video if you have any questions, comments, or aha moments, or if you have any questions about what kind of digital product you could possibly create. So this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseWithBarbie.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye for now.